fires are still raging out of control in a number of the towers here. The fire authorities say that the fire spread from about 8 hours ago from a ground floor area to engulf 7 out of the 8 towers in this public housing development, which is home to more than 4,000 people now, including a seasoned member of the fire department. But I think what's far more disturbing and frightening is that we've just heard in a press conference from the deputy director of the Hong Kong Fire Department that they have been in touch with residents in the top floors of at least one of these towers, and that they say that the temperatures are just too scorching hot for the emergency personnel to go up to them, and they've urged people to sit tight, to put wet towels and tape around their doors and to wait for some kind of rescue. But you know, I've been here for 2-3 hours at this point. I can see that there are some ladders spraying water on lower levels of this tower, for example. But meanwhile, the flames continue to burn out of control on the 10-15 stories above that in this tower and in neighboring towers. We periodically hear booms and little explosions and see debris raining down. The authorities say that they first got a call before 3 p.m. local time, and the fire quickly spread from a ground floor to the bamboo scaffolding that encases all of these buildings, which is very common in construction and renovation projects in Hong Kong of the high-rise buildings here. And that debris continues to rain down and make it far more dangerous for the emergency personnel. As of now, I can say, just as a layman, this fire is nowhere near under control.
Fires in some individual units are very fierce, and our firefighters have encountered extremely high temperatures inside the buildings. Furthermore, there are still cases in the upper floors that we are still unable to reach. However, our control center is in touch with them by phone. Once we are able to reach the units in the upper floor, we will immediately bring them to safety.
En Etiopía, un volcán hizo erupción por primera vez en 10.000 años. Imágenes de satélite publicadas por la NASA muestran las secuelas de la erupción del volcán Haile en el norte del país. El volcán arrojó cenizas al cielo, afectando los viajes aéreos a miles de kilómetros de distancia, incluyendo la India.
Efectivamente, este miércoles vence el plazo que el gobierno venezolano dio a las aerolíneas internacionales para que reanuden sus vuelos en el país. De lo contrario, aseguraron que procederán a revocar por 48 horas el derecho a tráfico de varias aerolíneas internacionales. Y es que en total son 7 las aerolíneas internacionales que incluyen a países como Brasil, Portugal y España, quienes han decidido suspender sus vuelos hacia Venezuela tras el comunicado emitido por autoridades de aviación federal estadounidense, quienes alegan un supuesto riesgo a la seguridad y el incremento de actividad militar en el país. Por su parte, la Asociación Internacional del Transporte Aéreo, que agrupa a buena parte de las aerolíneas internacionales, aseguró, o mejor dicho, respondió a esta advertencia hecha por el gobierno venezolano, asegurando que de llevar a cabo una medida de esta índole, solo se reduciría aún más la conectividad aérea hacia la nación. Asimismo, llamó a un diálogo a todas las partes involucradas para que se reanuden las operaciones aéreas tan pronto como sea posible. Hasta el momento no hay un pronunciamiento oficial por parte de algunas de las autoridades venezolanas con respecto a esta advertencia hecha a las aerolíneas internacionales, y se espera que en las próximas horas se ofrezcan más detalles. Desde Caracas, Venezuela, reporta Mayerlin Bravo para Telearuba.